Done! You have successfully bought WinRAR. Now onto the installation of your key. You will receive a separate email with the information you see right here. So you can do these same steps either from the browser or your email account. But it's simpler to just continue from here since the download link is right here. Just click on it and in the following window, click on WinRAR key. Down below you can see step-by-step instructions on how to install your key. These are different depending on the browser you are using. We will continue with Google Chrome since it's the most used browser. You will see the following notification in the bottom of your browser. Click the arrow and choose Show in Folder. Click right on the RAR key file and select Open with WinRAR. The following message will be displayed. Click OK and you are ready to go. To check if your registration was successful, click on the Help tab at the top of the WinRAR window. Select About WinRAR and the following window will open, showing you your registration details. Now you know if your WinRAR registration was successful. Thank you for buying our program and I hope we could help you out today.